History of PLM software at SAP.
I'd let you answer this one.
Oh, at least I see the visual enterprise component, right, for the visualization, right?
Oh yeah, that is a very cool thing. That's actually almost a revolutionary thing that we see here.
And the contextualization of the metadata to it. So yeah, old school SAP screen, I would say, right, without knowing the very details behind.
But this is absolutely right. This is the document info record from the old SAP GUI, already combined with the Visual Enterprise.
Yeah.
I think this is not so old. It's, let's say, perhaps eight years ago.
Okay.
And we have a lot of customers still using this interface and this technology. But this is nothing else than we do nowadays, but a little bit old-fashioned.
It's actually the 3D data showing up in SAP to start with, and that is something that actually our company was also involved in, like bringing the 3D, the CAD information into the SAP system, used even outside of engineering for all kind of purposes. And I think that is a very cool picture to show how 3D data is becoming part of SAP's solution, and that everybody can have a much better understanding of a product by looking through the 3D visuals. From an engineering perspective, but also from a service and maintenance perspective to make use of this information. And I think that's pretty much the beginning of where we brought this 3D information into SAP to consume by anybody else. So that is actually a real milestone in the SAP PLM history, I think.
Yes, up to this point in time, product data was basically just a textual representation of the product. And with this, for the first time, we brought together visuals, also basically the graphical representation of the product model into SAP, and this was of course a highlight which resonated extremely well in each demo and then was of course widely used by customers.
Be sure to catch the 5th episode of the History of PLM at SAP on the SAP Community YouTube channel.